Welcome to Evansville Ford, your premier destination for purchasing a vehicle. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles in inventory. It comes equipped with dual front side impact airbags, alloy wheels, Sirius XM satellite radio, roof rack, steering wheel controls, heated front seats, parking sensors, keyless entry, rear spoiler, heated door mirrors, and has less than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Since 1961, the Home Run Auto Group has been serving our community, and Evansville Ford is a proud member of the group. We are committed to creating an excellent customer experience. We are small town friendly with big city inventory. So come visit us here at Evansville Ford. You'll be glad you did. We're located at 428 Union Street in Evansville, where you are just minutes away from the Madison area's best deals.